latest scam to. Supposedly, galing to sa Globe One ng Globe. Nakaslagay dito na incomplete yung aking SIM card registration. Kasi sabi dito, missing or incorrect information. So, my account does not currently meet the mandatory requirements under the SIM Registration Act. Now, so una ko palang basa nito, talagang spam to or scam because tagal ko na na-registro yung number ko, postpaid yung number ko eh. Then, nakalagay dito, to avoid service disruption and ensure account remains secure, please complete SIM registration by following the instructions in the link below. Link. Itong link na nakalagay, go to portal, if you press that, then patay kang bata ka. Kasi ma-take over ng scammer yung phone mo, okay? Then below, para magmukhang real, naglagay sila dito ng mga official numbers, contact numbers, and email of Globe. Now, kung di ka mag-ingat, then mabiktima ka nito. Now, tingnan mo yung address na Globe Telecom Incorporated. But if you press that, para makita yung real email ad, nakalagay ng email ad, at almizangroup.com. Yan ang real na email ad nila. So, it shows only na fake to, scammer to, and they're trying to victimize me. Sorry, you cannot victimize me. Now, kung puntahan natin yung mga messages na tanggap ko from Globe, nakalagay dito, beware of messages from this WD. Then, marami tong warnings ang Globe dito. From Globe app, Globe One app, SMS Scam Shield. Yung registration parang bago yon. First time ko nga na-encounter yon. Kung makatanggap ng ganitong email, all you have to do is declare it as spam, go to more, mark as spam. Yun. Spam na yun. I-block na yun ng Yahoo.